Ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're replacing the safety cable on the Poulan Pro lawnmower. Now, I picked this mower up a couple of days ago, and we've got a couple little mad scientist things planned for this mower. But first thing we have to do is get her running. So, all you new people out there, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, and it's what we work for. So, let's get started. Now, you don't need to pull the lid off for this particular job. We're pulling it off here so you can see what we're doing. See, it's a whole lot easier to see underneath with the lid out of the way. So let's get the old cable out of the way. It's got two little ears on this that you want to squeeze in somehow. And so we're going to use pliers to grab each side of it. And there's one side. So you can twist it around to get the other one. And there's the other side. So let's lower her down and go to the top. Okay, I spun the mower around to give us a little bit better light while we do this part. And you can tell this part's been jumping off because he added a wire. This wire looks pretty good. Usually what I'll do is just drill a little hole and put a screw in this to hold it on if everything else is good and it's just being uncooperative. There we go. That's out of the way. And now let's pull the old cable out. Now, if you're doing this at home, I usually start at the top, but I don't hook it until the end. So we'll start off by getting this in place. And then we'll leave this hook alone because it leaves us lots of slack to work with on the other end. Now we'll scoot down here and go through the hole on the bottom. You can see this extra slack allows us to hook this without even thinking about it and just push it in. And you've literally replaced your cable. Now we'll come back over to the top. And sometimes you have to Ouija to do this part. Depends on the individual mower. And that's the whole thing. Put the lid back on and you're finished. So next up is to see if she runs. From what I understand, she did run and the cable was no good. When I got this, it had green grass on the wheels and green grass on the deck, and that's always a good sign. That means it's run recently. So let's put her on the ground and see if she runs. And she does. She runs real nice. But that's okay. We've got plans for this mower. And then I went ahead and added a couple of tie straps to make it look nice and neat. And that's how easy it is to replace a cable. Now the next up for this mower is we're going to try to run her on propane. That's for another video though. So all you new people out there, go ahead and subscribe. It's free and it's what we work for. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.